Hello, good morning to all. In today's class, we will discuss about first unit introduction and other concepts. First, we will discuss what is project management. The project management means here the steps, or we can say how the process takes place, is given in the form of diagram. You can see here, first we need to plan whatever the project we want to do, that we have to execute first plan. According to that plan, we need to do the planning. Then that overall planning has to be checked whether our plan is correct, and then how it has to be checked. It has to be checked in with respect to all the aspects, means whether our project is able to complete within a stipulated time, and human resources required to complete that project is enough, and material procurement and other resources are available, and it can be delivered to the customer in time. And finally, act means it has to be brought into actual execution, means actual manufacturing. First we need to plan, do, check and act. So we will write this in short form as PDCA: plan, do, check, act. You can remember very easily, PDCA. Here this PDCA plays very important role in managing the project. So we will discuss one by one another slides. The first topic you are learning about what is project, then types of project management, benefits of project planning and management, obstacles to any project and how to clear them, right? So first of all we will discuss what is project. Project is defined as a sequence of tasks that must be completed to attain a certain outcome. A project is defined as a sequence of tasks. A project is defined as a sequence of tasks. Sequence of tasks means what? One by one. Sequence means first we need to plan, then do, check, act. Or you can say if you are building the home, first you are planning the home plan, then your next process is to plan the estimation of the building, then we are planning the what are the materials required, like that sequence one by one how you are planning, right? A sequence of task. Okay, what are the work need to be undertaken to complete that project. Means आपको वो ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ करने के लिए ಆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗಳು ಹತ್ತದೆ, ಆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್. ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ಕೆಲಸಗಳು. That must be completed to attain a certain outcome. So final aim is what? We need to complete the project. We want to finish the building. We want to complete the building. Or if you are taking any machine manufacturing, so there we need to plan sequence of operations to be undertaken to complete the manufacturing of that machine. That means what are the parts are required to complete the manufacturing of that machine, and that has to be attained. That is the final outcome. So what is the project management? Project management is defined as sequence of task. You have to remember the word sequence of task. सीक्वेंस ऑफ टास्क ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೆನಪಿಡಬೇಕು. आप लोग सीक्वेंस ऑफ टास्क वर्ड याद रखना चाहिए. That must be completed within a stipulated or attain a certain outcome. So final, to achieve that goal, you can say, or outcome you can say, or you can say final finishing. So we need to what? Complete it as per the plan, do, check, act. So So very simple definition. According to the Project Management Institute, PMI, there is an institute called Project Management that has given some definition. The term project refers to any temporary endeavor with a definite beginning and end. So you can use any definition, about definition you can take, or with reference to the PMI you can take it. So what they are defining, it refers to any temporary endeavor with a definite beginning and end. So we need to start beginning and end. So for beginning we need to do the plan, and at the end we need to execute the whatever the project you want to complete it, right? So then depending on its complexity, it can be managed by single person or hundreds. Depends on the size of the project. If the size of project is very large, then we require more number of people. Then if it is very small size project, then we require only single person, or sometimes very few persons are required to complete the project. So or it can be also be defined as an effort to create or modify a specific product or service. A project is defined as, another definition it is, a project is defined as an effort. Effort means what? We need to put our entire effort to create or modify a specific product. So here they are using create means what? Creating the new model, new building, new railway coaches, new ship, new aircraft, whatever you can take. I give an example so that you will understand clearly what is that. Project is defined as an effort to create or modify a specific product or service. Here they are saying whether it may be the product, new product, or modify. Modify means what? Already product is existing, you want to modify that project for the better performance, or for the improving the customer attraction. So that is what modify. Okay, so that also will be considered as a new modifying the project. So you can use any three definitions which you feel easy. So three definitions is given here. Then next I will go for types of project. What are the types of project? Here 4 types of projects are there: manufacturing projects, construction projects, management projects, and research projects. So what are the 4 types of projects? Manufacturing projects. So we will discuss what is manufacturing products. So here, just a minute. Manufacturing projects will discuss. What is a manufacturing project? Where the final result is a vehicle, ship, aircraft, or piece of a machinery, etc. Just now I said no. So manufacturing means what? You are with the new machines or product you are manufacturing. It may be vehicle, or it may be the ship or aircraft, or it may be the piece of machinery, etc. So these are called manufacturing projects. You are taking the raw material and starting the manufacturing process. Then next comes construction projects. What is construction project? Just now I said construction of new building, bridges, road, tunnel, mining ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆ ಗಣಿಗಾರಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, petroleum industries can be included in this group. Next comes management projects. What is management project? Which include the organization or reorganization of work without necessarily producing a tangible result. Examples would be the design and testing of a new computer software package. Management project means what? Better example is your Anthropic app. This is a software which manages the teaching process, that is students attendance. It will monitor automatically, and whatever the class we are taking, we can add through link, means whatever the staff details. So like that it will manage the project. So what is project? Now here we are teaching the subjects to you. This is also one project. Okay, so with proper planning and or presentation, we need to make the whether recorded video or live class, we have to take it and we need to upload it in the YouTube's. Like that, you are managing the projects for the organization or reorganization is called managing the projects with computer software packages. Sometimes you can also call it as automated softwares are available. So by that you can control the machines. In Japan, 100 machines can be controlled by sitting at one place. Do you imagine? So that is the way how the technology is improving nowadays. In Japan, one person will sit in control room and is controlling 100 machines at a time. So this is called management projects. The next comes research projects. What is research project? In which the objectives may be difficult to establish and where the results are unpredictable. Covishield manufacturing project. See, nowadays Covishield manufacturing project, research projects. Nowadays the research is required to invent the medicine for the COVID-19. So we need the doctors are what we call it as ICMR, Indian Council for Medical Research. They are researched medicine for COVID-19. They are calling it as remdesivir or Covaxin. So that is all called Covishield manufacturing project. They undertaken a research. So another we can call research. Some new things are invented by the scientist by undertaking some research. See how the word is there. Research means already product is available and you are researching it to develop its performance, or sometimes new things are invented. Nowadays, yesterday last 2 weeks back, I heard in the news channel the DRDO. What is DRDO? Defense Research Development Organization. Defense Research Development Organization has developed powders. Okay, it's a powder you have to mix in the water. So that also is the vaccine for COVID-19. This is what research projects. What are the one second we'll summarize. What are the 4 types of projects? One is manufacturing projects, second one is the construction projects, and third one is the management project, and fourth one is the research projects. So yourself you write down this. I'll send this PDF to you. So read this all and write it in your book. Okay. Just a minute. Now one by one we will discuss different types of manufacturing projects. One is different types of projects. Manufacturing projects, just now we discussed manufacturing of vehicle. Now you can see here the car manufacturing is taking place. This is called conveyor. So on that what the car is lifted up, no, so that is called automated conveyor. On that cars will come at different stations. People are standing, or sometimes robots are used to make the welding assembly. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಸ್ಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ವರ್ಕರ್ಸ್ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾರದ್ದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಸೆಂಬ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೈನಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಕಾರ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ದೆನ್ it is final product is ready. For in Hindi explanation you can say car different parts will come at one station through the conveyor, and workers से आप वर्कर क्या करेगा, उसको assembly करेगा. Then it is ready for final testing. Then it will be sent to the customers to showrooms. So this is called manufacturing project. So what is manufacturing projects? Where the final result is a vehicle, ship, aircraft or piece of machinery, etc. Then construction projects. What are the construction projects? Resulting in the erection of buildings, bridges, roads, tunnels, etc., mining and petrochemical projects. So now you can see here construction activities. The sand is sent here. I think road construction is going on, where the bridge is constructed here. So this is one project has given to the construction people. Nowadays you can also see smart city work. This is also one type of construction projects where the roads, bridges and smart city projects are planned and executed in a proper manner, and finally the final finish touch is given to the smart city. Next comes management projects. What are the management projects? So which I told now just now, designing testing of computer software package. Just your Anthropic app. Initially it was a new app was developed by the one of the Anthropic company. So there lot of new features has been added, or you can say mobile softwares, Android 7, 8, 9, 10, how it is coming. No, even Apple has a different software. They are not using the Android, right? So they are having their own software. Like that, the managing the software, computer software package is called management projects. So launching of the satellites, controlling the power plants, controlling the electricity supply is all done through software. Next comes research projects. Just now we discussed what is research project. Research project is nothing but researching inventing the new things. Covishield manufacturing project. Okay, Covishield is the project is required nowadays with emergency need. Okay, so there is a called Serum Institute of Technology in Pune. Serum Institute of Technology in Pune. They have developed this Covaxin. Okay, some company has developed remdesivir. So still also the development, what research is going on to find appropriate vaccine. So that is called research project. So all four types of projects we discussed. Now the next slide we will discuss benefits of project planning and management. Benefits of project planning and management. So what are the advantages? Benefits means what are the advantages you are. The first advantage is project management improves productivity and reduces cost and workload. So first advantage is what? Project management improves the productivity. Productivity means what? For example, you take in 1 hour you are manufacturing 5 cars, 5 car, or you are manufacturing in 1 hour 5 machines. By using this project management tools appropriately, it will improve the productivity. So it will increase, whereas you are manufacturing only 5, it will increase up to 7, 8, sometimes also 10. So that is what increasing the productivity. Okay, at the same time you are increasing the quantity with quality and reduces cost and workload. So also a main important thing is what? Cost us, because whenever you go to purchase in market, what you will see, you want low cost product with high quality, good appearance, right? There are so many products in the market, but you will purchase sometimes the brand products, because they maintained this project management tools and with the low cost with high quality. Example, I'll give you Redmi mobile. You are most of the people you are purchasing the Redmi, but I will say opposition to that mobile, because it is China mobile. But because of so many features has been given in the mobile, you are purchasing that mobile, right? So how the ultimate goal of project management to achieve the cut down of the cost and increasing the productivity, also workload. The second one is project management improves collaboration. Collaboration means what? If everything related to your project is structured and team members know exactly what they need to be doing at any given time, it will be much easier to manage them. Plus everyone will do their best work. Collaboration means what? In one industry, you can see here in this picture what they are showing is you can see here in this diagram. Here, team leader in the industry, she has taken a lead and explaining to all the employees, and also doing the brainstorming session, means they are discussing together, and they all together they are performing. This is called by combining everyone's each creativity and good work towards a project leads to the collaboration, and they can work their best work to succeed, right, for the succeed. So this is the what collaboration is required. Project management improve customer satisfaction by using, for what is the final ultimate goal of our project management? So ultimate goal of our project management to improve the customer satisfaction. Finally, our customer should be satisfied with our what project, what we are doing. Example, if you are manufacturing machines as a mechanical engineers, our customer should give good satisfaction towards that machine performance. So that is only possible by using the proper management tools and effectively managing the project by monitoring each and every step. What is that? Plan, do, check, act is very important. Executing the project and to satisfy the customer. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನೀವೇನು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ कस्टमर सेटिस्फाई ಆಗಬೇಕು. आप जो प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करेगा वो प्रोडक्ट अच्छा क्वालिटी होना चाहिए, लो कॉस्ट होना चाहिए, और जब तुम लोग कस्टमर को सप्लाई करेगा वो उसको खुश होना चाहिए. मीन्स दे हैव टू से इट इज़ अ गुड क्वालिटी, सेटिस्फाई. आप लोग ही बोलेगा ना कि ये क्या प्रोडक्ट परचेस करके लेके आया, बा कुछ अच्छा तरह से ठीक तरह से वर्क नहीं हो कर रहा है, पैसा दे के भी यूज़ नहीं करके. तुम लोग 10 लोगों को पता है तो क्या होगा, 10 लोग परचेज नहीं करेगा, वो 10 लोग और 10 लोगों को बोलेगा. ऐसा ही चेन जाके क्या हो जाता है, वो प्रोडक्ट का जो रॉन्ग मैसेज पूरा सोसाइटी में फैल जाते हैं, तब कंपनी का जो प्रोजेक्ट किया रहते हैं वो फेल हो जाते हैं. लेकिन इधर हमारा क्या होता है, प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट टूल्स यूज़ किया तो क्या होता है, हमारा जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो कस्टमर को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. So project management helps with problem resolution. To solve any difficult problems, it will helpful. Then obstacles to any project and how to clear them. Obstacles means what? What all the problems will come while managing the projects. It's called unclear goals and responsibilities. Then unprepared team, limited resource, poor planning, lack of communication, resistance to change. So these all called the they are all called the obstacles to any project and how to clear them. So this I think I will explain in the next class. So this much whatever I explained, you study yourself. Once again I will send this PPT, write it in your book, and study whatever the thing I explained till now. And after that you can also watch in the YouTube, so many videos are available. You can type it just project management subject project management definition, so you will come to know the definitions. So this is my video, I am uploading it in the YouTube. So if you all of you like this video, if you understand the concept clearly, and also click below subscribe button option